Today we're looking at the RI-200 Handheld Strapping Tool, a battery-operated bander capable of securing your toughest shipments. These 6 tips will help you squeeze every ounce of performance out of this little beast, leaving you with a long-lasting piece of packaging equipment. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Once a week, blow the tool out with compressed air. This prevents debris and plastic dust buildup. Takes only a few seconds and makes a big difference. Tip number 2. It's important to keep your tooth plate clean. Be sure to use a brass brush. Steel can dull certain parts. You can find a brass brush at your local hardware store. Tip number 3. Most bander problems are the result of, you guessed it, dropping your bander. Consider a counterbalance system. The auto retraction system takes some of the weight off and prevents your bander from crashing to the ground. Tip number 4. Make sure you're only using plastic strapping. Using steel strapping will ruin the tension, welding, and cutting components. If you'd like to use steel strapping, check out our Grip Pack Steel Bander. Tip number 5. Charge the batteries before you store them. The RI-200 bander comes with 2 batteries, which means you can charge one while you use the other. Finally, tip number 6. Keep your tool on a cart designed for holding and dispensing plastic strapping. This will help you keep organized and your bander protected. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. For more packaging content from Rocket Industrial, click subscribe and don't forget to ding that bell.